India and Pakistan, two nuclear-armed neighbors, share a history fraught with conflict and mistrust. Their rivalry has long extended to the military realm, with both countries investing heavily in their armed forces. Air power, in particular, has emerged as a critical element of this competition, with each side seeking to gain an advantage in the skies. This pursuit of air superiority is driven by the belief that control of the airspace is crucial for achieving victory in any future conflict. The quest for air dominance has led to an arms race between India and Pakistan, with each country acquiring increasingly sophisticated fighter jets, missiles, and air defense systems. This competition is further fueled by geopolitical tensions, historical grievances, and the desire to deter aggression from the other side. The stakes are high, as any miscalculation or escalation could have devastating consequences for the region. India, facing a two-front challenge from Pakistan and China, has been actively modernizing its air force. A key aspect of this modernization drive is the potential acquisition of the F-35 Lightning II, a fifth-generation stealth fighter developed by Lockheed Martin in the United States. The F-35, if acquired, would significantly bolster India's air capabilities, providing it with advanced stealth features, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare capabilities. The F-35 stealth technology would make it difficult for Pakistani radars to detect and track, giving India a significant tactical advantage in any air engagement. Its advanced sensors and data-sharing capabilities would enhance situational awareness and enable the Indian Air Force to conduct precision strikes against enemy targets. However, the acquisition of the F-35 is not without its challenges. The high cost of each aircraft, coupled with the logistical and maintenance complexities, poses significant financial and operational burdens for India. Pakistan, facing India's growing military might, has deepened its defense cooperation with China. This partnership has resulted in the joint development and potential acquisition of the J-31, a fifth-generation stealth fighter designed by China's Shenyang Aircraft Corporation. While still under development, the J-31 is intended to be a more affordable alternative to the F-35, offering a blend of stealth, maneuverability, and weapons payload. The J-31's potential induction into the Pakistan Air Force would enhance its ability to challenge Indian air superiority. Its stealth capabilities, though not as advanced as the F-35S, would still provide Pakistan with a degree of radar evasion, making it a more formidable opponent in the air. Moreover, the J-31's lower cost compared to the F-35 would make it a more economically viable option for Pakistan, allowing it to acquire a larger number of aircraft. Stealth technology plays a pivotal role in modern aerial warfare, giving aircraft a significant advantage in evading enemy detection and achieving mission objectives. Both the F-35 and J-31 incorporate stealth features in their design, aiming to minimize their radar cross-section, the measure of an aircraft's detectability by radar systems. A smaller radar cross-section makes it harder for enemy radars to detect and track the aircraft, giving it an element of surprise and enhancing its survivability. The F-35, with its mature stealth technology and design philosophy, is considered to have a lower radar cross-section than the J-31, making it more difficult to detect. This technological edge in stealth could prove crucial in a conflict, allowing the F-35 to operate with greater impunity in contested airspace. However, stealth technology is not foolproof. Advances in radar technology, coupled with effective counter-stealth tactics, can mitigate the advantages offered by stealth aircraft to some extent. Section 5. Beyond the spec sheet, operational effectiveness and challenges. While technical specifications provide valuable insights into an aircraft's capabilities, operational effectiveness depends on a complex interplay of factors beyond mere numbers. The F-35, backed by years of development and operational experience, benefits from mature systems integration, sophisticated software, and a robust logistical network. This maturity translates into higher availability rates, reliable performance, and the ability to seamlessly integrate with other platforms in a networked battle space. The J-31, being a newer platform, faces challenges in replicating the F-35's level of operational maturity. Issues related to engine reliability, avionics integration, and weapons system compatibility need to be addressed before the J-31 can achieve its full potential. Furthermore, Pakistan will need to develop the necessary infrastructure, training, and logistical support systems to effectively operate and maintain a fleet of advanced stealth fighters like the J-31. Section 6. The Economic Tightrope, Balancing Defense and Development. The pursuit of air superiority comes at a steep price, requiring significant financial investments that can strain the economies of both India and Pakistan. The F-35, with its high acquisition and operating costs, would pose a substantial financial burden on India's defense budget. This could potentially divert resources from other crucial sectors like education, healthcare, and infrastructure development. Similarly, Pakistan, despite its economic constraints, would need to make significant financial commitments to acquire and operate the J-31 effectively. The costs associated with pilot training, maintenance, spare parts, and upgrades can quickly escalate, further burdening the country's economy. Both India and Pakistan face the challenge of striking a delicate balance between strengthening their defense capabilities and addressing their respective socioeconomic challenges. Section 7. The International Factor Arms Sales and Strategic Partnerships. The acquisition of advanced fighter jets like the F-35 and J-31 is often intertwined with complex geopolitical considerations and international arms sales dynamics. The United States, as the developer of the F-35, exerts significant influence over its sale to foreign countries, taking into account factors like regional security, political alignment, and technology transfer concerns. India, seeking to diversify its defense procurement and reduce its reliance on Russia, has been actively engaging with the United States for potential defense deals, including the F-35. Pakistan, on the other hand, relies heavily on China for its defense needs, with China emerging as a major supplier of weapons systems and technology. The dynamics of these international partnerships have a direct impact on the air power balance in the region. Section 8. Training and Doctrine. The human element in air superiority. Technology alone does not guarantee air superiority. The human element, encompassing pilot skill, training, and operational doctrine, plays a crucial role in maximizing the effectiveness of advanced fighter jets. The F-35, with its complex systems and network-centric warfare capabilities, requires highly skilled pilots who can effectively operate the aircraft and leverage its advanced features in combat. India, with its established pilot training programs and experience in operating sophisticated aircraft, would need to adapt its training regimen to meet the specific demands of the F-35. Pakistan, in acquiring the J-31, would face a similar challenge of training its pilots to effectively operate and maintain a fifth-generation stealth fighter. Developing sound operational doctrines and tactics that exploit the strengths of these advanced aircraft will be crucial for achieving air superiority. Section 9. The risk of escalation, from skirmishes to wider conflict. The pursuit of air superiority, while enhancing deterrence, also carries the inherent risk of escalation and unintended consequences. The deployment of advanced fighter jets like the F-35 and J-31, coupled with the volatile geopolitical environment in South Asia, could raise tensions and increase the likelihood of miscalculation or accidents spiraling into a wider conflict. The presence of nuclear weapons in the arsenals of both India and Pakistan adds another layer of complexity and danger to the equation. Any conflict escalation could potentially cross the nuclear threshold, resulting in catastrophic consequences for the region and beyond. Therefore, it is imperative for both countries to exercise restraint, maintain open lines of communication, and explore confidence-building measures to mitigate the risk of escalation. Section 10. The future of air power, beyond fighters and missiles. The future of air power in South Asia will be shaped by emerging technologies and evolving concepts of warfare. Unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs, with their increasing capabilities and versatility, are likely to play a more prominent role in future conflicts, conducting reconnaissance, surveillance, and even strike missions. Hypersonic weapons, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, pose a significant challenge for traditional air defense systems and could alter the dynamics of air warfare. Cyber warfare, electronic warfare, and artificial intelligence are also expected to play an increasingly important role in future air operations, disrupting enemy command and control systems, jamming communications, and enhancing decision-making processes. Both India and Pakistan will need to adapt their air power strategies and invest in these emerging technologies to maintain their competitive edge in the future. Section 11. Conclusion: a delicate balance of power persists. The quest for air superiority between India and Pakistan is a complex and multifaceted issue, driven by strategic considerations, technological advancements, and geopolitical realities. The potential acquisition of the F-35 by India and the J-31 by Pakistan would significantly enhance their respective air capabilities. But it is crucial to recognize that air power alone cannot guarantee victory in any conflict. The human element Economic sustainability and the risk of escalation are crucial factors that will continue to shape the air power balance in South Asia. As both countries strive to modernize their air forces, it is essential for them to pursue dialogue, confidence-building measures, and conflict resolution mechanisms to ensure that the pursuit of air superiority does not come at the expense of regional peace and stability.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.